Girls have gone to the supermarket to get breakfast with Laurie. Adam's washing. I'm about to go help Adam. Will has made us tea. Good morning, Will. How you doing?
Good. How are you?
I'm good. Yeah, I didn't expect to get a good night's sleep, but oh god, I got a good night's sleep. It was amazing. We're going to WATERPARK today, which should be really fun. Yes. Yeah, Will has been petitioning for months, not months, or weeks.
Since Budapest.
Since Budapest.
That's like 2 weeks.
Yeah, there was a there's a smaller aquapark in Budapest that we gave a miss, but this place is a proper aircraft hangar full of watery fun. That's going to be so much fun. The others are taking too long. I'm having cold pizza for breakfast. Hello.
Oh, my horrible face. Hey.
We're out of the house, finally. We spent quite a long time in the apartment. It's been lovely. We had breakfast and tea, which was good. And now we're going to the aquapark. Yay! I love the people around here. Just open the door to the burliest guy in a vest. I'm going to try that thing where the camera spins until we get to the water park. Metro. We're on the train. It's a triple decker. We're in the middle of nowhere. We're here. Dude. This is so exciting. This is literally so exciting. Jeez, look at it. And it's all inside? That is madness. It smells exactly like I thought it would. We got the student one, which is like amazing. The guy was so nice.
Yeah.
He accepted our emails from our unis as confirmation. And look at the place. Just look at it. It's massive. Okay, I'm putting you in the locker now, and then going and hanging out at the park for a bit. I'll come back and give you a tour in a bit. It's awesome. Tour time!
Hi, I'm Miranda, this is Lucas, and we are going to be taking you, lucky people, on this lovely tour of the tropical islands paradise in Germany.
This is where you could be staying.
Isn't
the
it
campsite.
so exciting?
Okay.
Here we have the rainforest walk.
Behind us is a hot air balloon that you could be on.
Welcome to the pool area. Isn't it so exciting? Oh, sorry. Darling, you were first.
So excited.
No, he's not American, he's just pretending. Okay, so there's the massive balloon, if you just swirl around, and then you can see all these lovely deck chairs where we all like to chill out. And then we've got this lovely little lagoon, it's really quite luxurious. And we have some sand, all for a price of 28 euros. Bargain.
Welcome to the Tropics Port Area food place. Welcome to the welcome to the tropical eating foodery place.
Here we have the children's play area.
For locking up your little shits.
Especially when they're naughty. And sometimes when they're nice.
Why did I say that?
You can really be anything you want here.
Welcome to mini golf.
Here we have the water slides. Oh my god. See, the one behind me is really fun. And then the yellow one's pretty shit. And then the red one, you've got to have one of those little dingy things to make it be fun, which we intend to steal from them later. And then there's that really tall blue one which we're going to go on soon, which looks like it might kill you.
Do a tour by hot air balloon.
The big pool's not for you. You can take a dip in this beautiful little lagoon.
You can. Oops, sorry. I completely ruined that. Oh well, tour's over. See you soon. Bye. Okay. It's about 6:30. No, is it 6:30? Yeah, it's about 6:30. We're having the last of our food, which is biscuits. And I think we're going to play another game of volleyball and then head home. So
Yeah.
we're not swimming, so I can take you.
Oh no, it's only half.
Welcome to the volleyball courts. Will's band is tightened up and his wrist is going very, very red. We're just going to go and find a knife.
Often goes on the corner.
Right, we're heading home. You've seen this journey already, so see you when we get back. Okay, we're back at the apartment. All pretty knackered, I think. We're going to stay in for the evening, have some dinner, and watch some movies and play some cards, I think. Laurie, what are you doing?
Playing solitaire?
Are you winning?
Probably not. I'm not doing too bad.
What are you cooking?
Well, it's a bit of we're trying to make
Oh, sorry, Amaranth's cooking as well.
we're making stir fry. We're not really sure how it's going to go, but we'll try our best.
What's the special ingredient?
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter stir fry.
Peppers.
Dinner has been served. Well done, Megan. Well done, Miranda. No, seriously, it looks so good.
I'm gonna nail this one.
Okay, 3.
That's nice and optimistic.
Higher or
Yeah. So like instead of throwing it like that, just like up the air.
Oh, that was close. Go on, one more.
Oh.
We have to get it on camera. Ready? 3, 2. Ooh, that might be awful.
No, from perspective, that looked like it went in.
Yeah!
Okay, we had dinner. It was delicious. Megan's gone to bed. I think other people are about to go to bed, including myself. We're going to watch some films and stuff firstly, but there's no point recording that. So, good night. Say good night. Laurie's learning Spanish. Laurie, can you say good night in Spanish?
Buenas noches, mi amigos. Tienes
Night.
en el asador.